Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We've just been at Boom Bar in Marmaris and we're going to take a little walk along the high street, so let's see Wagwan. We're in the gorgeous Marmaris. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. So if you want to check out our time here, do go to the channel and check it out. It's got some really good food, great games, really good atmosphere. Do recommend that you check it out when you come down to Marmaris. Right. So we're just going to go back to the hotel, but we thought we'd go along the back roads and show you more of like the shops and stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to get notifications so you never miss a video. So if you've been to Marmaris before, you know it's obviously, oh there you go, look, 150. We will be doing a price video, so do look out for that. Yeah.
So you can have a swimming pool
and a drink. Yeah, because not all hotels come with a swimming pool, so if you are
really nice.
Staying somewhere that hasn't got one, that's an option. But as I was saying, if you have been to Marmaris before, you know it's obviously fantastic for shopping. Hello. Hello. Somewhere to get your excursions. Then yeah, it is really good for like shopping and all of that, which is what sort of Turkey is famous for, I guess. That and the gorgeous coastline. Oh yes. You got the Turkish Riviera. Turkish Riviera. Where you get your taxis from. You've got Tesco supermarket. Don't be fooled, it will not be Tesco. But it is a name. So yeah, this is the main sort of like high street. This is where you're going to get more sort of like your clothing stores, more of your supermarkets, and the sort of front side of the hotels. And we've been sort of concentrating more on like the promenade today, and like the beaches, and all the beach bars, and all of those lovely areas.
So Japanese and Thai food, yeah, on the left.
Yeah, Chinese food.
It's going to do
Sushi, Asian foods.
okay.
Sushi, yeah, so a bit of everything there. Let's have a look at it then. So Far East. There we go. You're wanting a little bit of Asian cuisine. And we haven't done much shopping yet. We only got here yesterday, so we will be putting up some videos to show you the sort of bazaars and the shopping. So do look out for that. If that's why you come to Turkey, we'll have all the up-to-date videos for you, so stay tuned.
We're heading up towards Blueport.
Yeah, Blueport is another big shopping centre. We have got a video on the channel if you do want to check that out. So Blueport is like a big sort of shopping mall, I guess you can call it. And it's got sort of food courts, shopping, DIY, all the sort of like shops that you need. So it's not just clothes, it's got everything.
But here you've got Andy's.
Yeah.
It's a good
Restaurant, yeah. Yeah, we're both, we need a sleep basically. You got Del Boy's coming up, big bazaar. It's quite a famous one. You got your little...
What is called, you've got a special name.
Yeah, these are the buses, really, really cheap. But yeah, the reason why we're so tired is, like I say, we just spent the day in Boom Bar, had a really, really fun day. So when you're
really
sort of...
strong cocktails.
Yeah, cocktails, had some good food, really good food, and then obviously we played some games and stuff. So it's got like pool tables, you've got beer pong, foosball, darts. So you've got loads of stuff that you can really like doing there.
You'll see it all on the video. We've got
See
a special
it all,
video.
yeah, special video dedicated to that. Got Diadem jewellery. Never actually brought any jewellery from Turkey.
Well, we always ask, if anyone's ever done it, let us know. What is it like?
Is it worth it? Is it sort of worthwhile? So I know you've been like approached about watches and stuff, haven't you? Give you guys a little bit off-white there. Football tops. And you got your normal sort of tattoo. Same sort of cross bags for 10. You always see those ones, don't you? But they're good, again, you know. Yeah. Usually get your bags from sort of like Shein or Primark and stuff, not much difference. And then you got one for shoes there. Marmaris shoes for 10. So yeah, if you like a bargain, you can find it in Turkey. There you go, and we'll have a sort of dedicated video to the actual shopping side. For now, we just want to show you our sort of like walk home. So we're staying about a stone's throw from the beach, aren't we? So we're staying in more of the budget hotel for this side, and then we're going to do more of the sort of like nicer hotel. So we're going to do like a little comparison.
I think we're staying in the posh ends. Everyone calls it the posh hotels.
Yeah.
We're staying in one of them. If you know, it's in between Marmaris and Ishmael, there's a posh area. That's where we're staying next.
Staying in the upper bit. Upper two. It's the bouquet residence, not the bucket. Yeah, it's gone a bit sort of cloudy, hasn't it? But it's been a really hot day.
Really warm now.
God, yeah, it's still warm. Very, very warm. So what's this one? Nice little hotel. Little balconies there. Again, all your shopping. And then you got the #1 bistro pub.
Turkey.
Yeah. Not Kirk, but Kirky.
Should we take the spas?
Should we have a quick look at it? Seeing as it's very close to Kirk's name.
Hello.
Hello.
For massage.
Thank you. There you go. Large draft beer. Then you got the Aussie Disco Bar Cross. So yeah, so definitely have a look around what they got. Wednesday, Motherwell v Celtics, that's just the football. #1 at Bistro Pub, and they obviously do the Guinness. And then it looks like it's got some apartments up there as well. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever been to Kirky Bar.
Yeah, I just got offered a free massage for 10 minutes.
Oh!
I had to deny it. I said no. When Sabrina's gone to sleep, I'll be back.
That will be in about half an hour then, because I am shattered. So enjoy. So what have you got here? Got happy hour on this one. Buy one, get one free, all cocktails. And you got bottled beer.
140. Ooh.
It's not bad.
Yeah, much better. Along the road, main road, you get a little bit cheaper.
Yeah, you do. But then, like, you know, you're paying for the premium when you're on the beachfront, like anywhere. Got a big trainer one over there. I don't know if you guys can see.
Just coming up to Taj Mahal and Blueport.
Yeah, so Blueport, and then you've got the shopping, the big Taj Mahal, and it's got a big Chinese as well, isn't it, at the top of Blueport? Can't remember what it's called, but they've got like a big all-you-can-eat buffet Chinese at the top of Blueport. And then, yeah, you got the Taj Mahal. Yeah. We went to that one, didn't we, Taj Mahal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't enjoy it.
Yeah, we've been to so many sort of Indian restaurants. I think we're so spoiled in the UK. I don't think you sort of take it a little bit for granted, don't you? So yeah.
Mandarin. I think it's good Mandarin.
Yeah, Mandarin. There you go, the Chinese restaurant. So yeah, Mandarin and Taj Mahal. And then straight ahead, you got the Blueport shopping centre. We have got a video, so again, if you do want to check out inside, do go to the channel, go to the Turkey playlist, and it'll be in there.
What we're going to do though, we're going to walk down to the little, our favourite little takeaway. Say
Yeah.
hello. Hop in and say hello.
So you got McDonald's as well. Is this open? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
It wasn't open when we came in September.
No.
Because it was something else before, like a bar. Do you remember?
Yeah, it was, and they had the KFC or something, didn't they? Or Burger
KFC.
King? That's it, yeah. So yeah, this is like if you want your sort of, you know, takeaway home from home. For those people, they can't eat anything else. No shade.
If you follow Dad Loves Food, that's his favourite place.
That's his favourite place. So yeah, you got Burger King, sorry. So McDonald's, Burger King. You know what you're going to get in there. But we're going to go to the sort of traditional kebabi, as we are in Turkey.
Cheers. Tasty bites.
Tasty bites.
We're going to go and see our friends in Tasty Bites.
Yeah, perfect place to go to on a night out when you're
next to the football
feeling,
bars.
feeling a little bit sloshed and you need something to soak up the alcohol. Tasty Bites has you. Hello. Ah, good, thank you.
The TikTok.
Yes.
How are you? You are right.
You
thank
good?
You.
Yes.
Hello. Where you go?
We just come to see you, just come to see, Tasty Bites. Yeah, that was Tasty Bites, so we'll probably come back there later on tonight as normal, get our sort of pizza and our good stodge. And then we're now in Football Square, I guess? Is it Football Square? Yeah.
Football Square, really. Just at
Yeah.
Anfield.
So you got football on tonight,
We've got Man City.
Milans.
Bye guys. How are you?
Good, thank you.
We're coming tonight. See you.
So yeah, this comes to life, obviously from sort of about 9, 10 onwards. And you've got all the different sort of sports bars, still not a Tottenham one, but we're not going to be haters.
Never ever took them, man.
No. But yeah, he has some good nights in here. If you want to watch your football, this is the place to come. It's a nice little start off point. So at the moment they all close around 12 because of the noise. It used to be like 2 in the morning.
How are you?
Enjoy your day. How are you? Right?
Good, thank you.
Yes, please. You order you some drink.
Oh no, we're okay. Thank you. So yeah, you used to be able to sort of stay out till like 2, but now it's changed to 12. Yeah, Albatross, yeah. Yeah. YouTube.
Because YouTube make you famous.
And then it just brings us back to sort of like the main sort of street, and then again you got sort of like your main shots and everything.
So we're staying down this one.
Yeah.
But we're not going to go down there. We're going to go down the main road.
Show you guys where we are. We've actually got a little shop near us, haven't we?
A little. Yeah. Is that what it's called?
Yeah. It's called Lidl, but it's not a Lidl.
Is it? I don't even know that.
Well, we only arrived yesterday, guys, so we're sort of still getting our bearings, but I noticed it when we went out last night. So we got in late, went to the football. So you got Domino's. So again, this is like pretty much like where you got your takeaways, football bars, beers, your typical sort of night out. And then you got Bar Street, again, check out videos, and that's more like the clubs and the super clubs. And if you're going for a real, till 4, 5, 6 in the morning.
Like Negros.
Yeah, that's the big supermarket. We do actually need to go to the supermarket, but if you do want to do like more of a bigger shop, that's where you're going to go. That's sort of like one of the main chains here, isn't it? There's a couple of others, but Migros is one of the sort of main ones.
They got top class shoes.
Yeah.
It's new Chinese.
Oh yeah. Was that on there before?
I've never heard Chinese.
No. So yeah, let us know if you've been to this one. And if you are coming out to Marmaris, where do you guys like to go? Don't forget to comment and subscribe as well, really helps the content. And we also really appreciate it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is a nice
Very
big
nice.
space, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
And more. Got Aussie shop over there. Lots of winter jackets in there. I'd like to say we don't need them, but the UK at the moment we probably do.
The Irish bar here.
Yeah, that was here last time.
I've actually never been into the Irish bar.
No, we
Let's
do
see
like
how
our
much they
Guinness.
give it.
Yeah, let's see. Jinx. Got another Migros over there. So you've got two very close to each other.
Just in case you don't want to cross the road.
Right, let's have a look. There we go.
280.
Oh, pint, half pint. So for a pint,
So 495.
three,
About
3.95,
395.
yeah.
395. What's that?
So 60 to a.
5 is like 8 quid. So it's like 6 quid, 6 quid. So, yeah.
Which, to be fair, is pretty average. That's probably what you're going to get it at home, maybe a little bit more depending on where you go. So they're the little, what are they called? The buses? I've completely forgotten. Begins with a D. Della? No.
Oh, no, yeah, something like this.
Yeah. Hopefully the editor will put the name of them when he's doing the
God knows who he
editing.
is. Yeah,
He's very
special
good
editor.
like that, very good, so you guys know what we're talking about. Got Popeyes as well. We recently just got one in Swindon, didn't we? Amazing Swindon. Got your cash points as well. A lot of places do take cash here, so it is worthwhile getting cash out. Unfortunately, it is one of those places. What was this one? Happily restaurant. Then you got your karaoke bar, karaoke dance bar. So again, a lot of these bars, you have sort of entertainment in the evening or karaoke. Kirk's favourite.
Absolutely love it.
You do love a bit of karaoke, don't you? I've basically done like a loop, haven't we?
Down here you have a Manchester City. You've got Manchester City here to speak.
Yeah, Man City bar down there. Pretty sure it's on the corner, isn't it? Probably the best one to go to for tonight.
So, I think I
Yeah. Oh, a big clothes store. Yeah.
Mr. Ink tattoo.
That's quite a big one, that one. There you go, there it is, Manchester City Bar and Food. So that's probably the best one to go to tonight. And then, yeah, a tattoo bar there. Have a little pool bar as well. Romance Hotel. It's quite a big one, isn't it? Right, well, we've done a little loop, showed you a little bit of the sort of street side. If you want to see the promenade, check out the channel and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.